Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will guide you on how to make a Google Drive. So, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to download and install the Google Drive desktop app. Head over to the Google Drive website, www.google.com, Drive, Download, and navigate to the Download section. You'll find clear options for both Windows and Mac users. Simply click on the appropriate download button for your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. The setup process will guide you through associating the app with your Google account and choosing your preferred sync settings. During the setup, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. This connects the app to your online drive storage, essentially creating a bridge between your computer's files and the cloud. Here's the cool part. You have control over how files are synced between your device and the cloud storage. This means you can optimize your storage usage based on your needs. Now that you're all set up, let's explore what the app offers. You'll see a familiar interface similar to your computer's file explorer. Your entire Drive content is readily accessible here. Adding files is a breeze. You can simply drag and drop them into the Drive folder on your computer, and they'll be uploaded and synced to the cloud. Additionally, you can create new folders or documents directly within the app. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.